In this video, you'll learn how to fix image descriptions using Perplexity. This guide explains how to create SEO-friendly alt text for your images and optimize them for better accessibility and search engine performance. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Perplexity platform. Once the page loads, you will see a search bar prominently displayed on the screen. This is where you will input your image description. Next, type in the prompt, write a clear SEO-friendly alt text for this image. Ensure that you replace the placeholder with a detailed description of your image. After entering the prompt, press the Enter key or click the search icon to submit your request. After a moment, Perplexity will generate suggestions for alt text based on your description. Review these suggestions carefully, considering their clarity and relevance. It is important that the alt text is concise, descriptive, and includes relevant keywords without resorting to keyword stuffing. Once you have identified an appropriate suggestion, navigate to your website or content management system. Locate the section where the old or missing alt text is currently stored. Replace it with the improved version you selected from Perplexity. This step is crucial for ensuring that your images are accessible to all users. After updating the alt text on your website, return to Perplexity to verify your changes. Input the prompt, check if this alt text is SEO friendly. This will help confirm that the new description meets SEO best practices and is optimized for search engines. By following these steps, you ensure that your images are both accessible and optimized for SEO. This can positively impact your website's visibility and usability. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.